Phrasal verbs and its types. It is made up of verb like look, get, put or break etc. and participle means preposition or adverb like on, after, up and down. When these two means verb and participle come together, their meaning often changes completely from the original verb. For example, look, look after, look up to. You can see look means to look at someone, and look after means take care of someone, and look up to means give respect to someone. So the meaning is different when you add the particle. Phrasal verbs can be divided into four main types. The first one is transitive, the second one is intransitive, and the third one is separable and inseparable. So let's discuss them one by one. Transitive phrasal verb. These phrasal verbs need an object to make complete sense. Without the object, the sentence is incomplete. For example, she looked after the baby, and I ran into my friend yesterday. You can see in these examples, phrasal verbs need the object. Now, intransitive phrasal verb. These phrasal verbs do not need an object, and the action is complete in itself. For example, the plane took off. He woke up early. You can see in these sentences, phrasal verbs do not need an object. Now, separable phrasal verb. Here, the object can come between the verb and the particle or after the particle. Both ways will be correct. For example, she turned off the light. And the second example, she turned the light off. You can see the clear difference between in these examples. If you write the particle after the object, then still it will be correct, and if you write the particle before the object, then it will also be correct. Here the important note is this: if the object is a pronoun like him, it, them, then these pronouns always come in the middle. For example, she turned it off. It will be correct. And if you write like this, she turned off it, then it will be wrong. Now the next type is inseparable phrasal verb. In this type, the verb and particle cannot be separated. The object always comes after the phrasal verb. For example, he looks after his parents. This example will be correct. And if you write like this, he looks his parents after, then it will be considered wrong. Now here is a trick that can help you how to recognize phrasal verbs. The first one is see if adding a particle changes the meaning, and then check if you can move the object around. If the meaning becomes different from the original verb, it is usually a phrasal verb. I hope you would be like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Allah Hafiz.